Okay, I've made another document page on my NitroType stats page involving Wordle, which is not NitroType if you haven't noticed. So, I'm gonna do it to where I get every single letter in the English alphabet in a bunch of five-letter words in all five different places. So, I can use those words to solve any number of Wordles at once, including, but not limited to, 10,000 Wordles at once. So, this will be insane. So Wordle has a few implicit rules that most people don't really know about. First of all, we can't have any plural words like dogs, for example, even though that's a four-letter word technically, but just bear with me here. Let's try something else. Boxes, for instance. BOXES, sir, five letters long. Problem is, it's never going to be in a Wordle solution because it's technically just a modified three-letter word. So yeah, that's how that's gonna work. Also, the way I've organized this document, you see, for example, let's start with the word learn. So we have L in the first spot, we have E in the second spot, A in the third spot, R in the fourth spot, and N in the fifth spot. So what we're gonna do for every single letter, except for a couple maybe, we're gonna find a way to fit them all in every single location. The ones marked in green are the ones I already have, the ones marked in red are ones I still need to find. So let's just get at it, shall we? I've decided to start with all of the more common letters with the vowels at first. So here's A in the first spot, in the second spot, the fourth spot, and the fifth spot. And let's do the same for E, I, O, and U. Now let's focus on various random consonants like F, H, N, K, and W. And now I've just taken care of the rest of the random common consonants I can easily put into words. Now let's take care of the three more uncommon ones involving V, X, and Z. Okay, now here's the moment most of you have probably been waiting for. How the frick am I gonna find words for J and Q? Well, first of all, J is pretty easy, like I can do Joker, then of course Ninja. But the last one, I had to go to the Scrabble website to find some of these words, including this next one right here. Yeah, this one. It's an irrigation system of sorts, pretty much. Now for Q. Well, I mean, the first one is pretty easy. I can do this. Prepare to get your minds blown for this one. Boom. Fun fact, that's a word. And then this one. All of those are words. But hey, we completed it. And now for the fun part. Okay, before we begin, I found the game that does 10,000 Wordles at once. And there's one concept you'll need to know after, while I complete this. It's called stacking. Now, essentially, let's just say, as this example shows here, the word is crime, okay? So you got the first one, cripe. You have CRI from crime, but not the rest of it. Now, if you put in slime, you see the five green ones here? If you have five green ones, even if they're not on the same word itself, then this is considered a solution. So, with that in mind, let's do this. That's that's all of them. What am I missing? So it turns out I missed D being fourth and B being second. So let's make some modifications and try again. I discovered the problem. It's the word abode. I put in Adobe and switched to B and D. What the heck? You know what? This list is right. I was just it was all human error in that case. So, you know what? I'm gonna show it again. Okay, the second time around was less successful, but I was thankfully able to fix it at the end because I think I forgot to put in ninja. But hey, it still works. Same 51 letters nonetheless, 51 words and all that stuff. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone.